Hey, let me show you how you can adjust DPI on the Samsung Galaxy S26. So we can get, for example, this kind of the view like on this tablet. So first of all, you have to for sure start by opening the settings, scroll all the way down and move for About Phone, scroll for the software information and quickly keep tapping on the build number until you enable the developer options that will be visible over here. So now we have to scroll down and we have to just go for DPI settings. This should be available somewhere here on the drawing tab. Minimum width, and when you input, for example, even the 700, then you will get something like this. Of course, it's actually hard to use it properly, but I just want to show you how we can actually change it. So now let's go for the normal value. For example, let's get like 300 or something like this. And now as you can see, it looks much better. And yeah, that's how we can actually change it. I hope you find it useful.